In this video, we will show you how to end Canva Pro subscriptions. If you already subscribe on the Canva with the Pro version, if you want to end the subscription, you can do this easily by clicking on your profile icon on the bottom left corner here, and you can choose settings menu. After that, you can scroll down on the sidebar and choose billings. After you choose billing here, you can see your Canva is using Canva Pro. To cancel or end your subscription so you don't pay again, you can just click cancel plan. Okay, and then you can click continue cancellation here, and you can just continue cancellation. Okay, why do you want to cancel? This is just survey. I don't use all the features. Okay, you can just click continue cancellation, and we can just submit feedback, and that's all. Your Canva Pro plan has been cancelled. You can still use Canva until the date in 1 month that you subscribed before. And that's tutorial how to end the Canva Pro subscriptions. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments comment below, and thanks for watching.